Good morning, XRP Future Millionaire here on this post Sunday morning, the day after Michigan beat the hell out of Ohio State. Finally break that streak. Have a little bit of momentum on our side for once. We play in the Big Ten Championship next Saturday for a chance to play at the college football playoff. I expect when the rankings come out tomorrow, we'll be number 2 and we jump Alabama, jump Ohio State, and who else was in front of us? I don't even remember. Cincinnati. So that's where we stand. So I'm very happy my son decided to wake up early. So you guys get an extra early update. Better make sure to hit that like button at 6:26 a.m. So XRP, as I talked about yesterday, I fully expect this to happen. We're back testing like we talked about. The first drop point, we were at like 98, 97 cents all day. Even if you go back farther, we were up a little bit more. Made a small little run. But we've been in the sideways consolidation. We dropped all the way down to, where was this at? 90 cents. But we were down farther than that yesterday. Because we made a drop down to the next level now. To 88.2. So now we're trading between 88.2 and 93.3. Wanted to see if that was any kind of resistance, or was that 93.4? It doesn't really make a difference. But we're going to see if we can ride support right here or resistance. We talked yesterday we'd come up these 200 days and get rejected. There's a chance we come up to 98 cents again. But if you look at the volume push up in the 30-minute, I mean, you couldn't ask for any less volume. We're even getting decreasing volume on this push up, which is bearish. But to me, it looks like it could have created a sneaky W or sneaky M. I always watch for these when they do this at the end. If this just pulls down real fast, that's going to be an M right down to 83. Or it'll drive you right back down to here and you're going to have to do it again. But I fully expect this to break down. If we can get some volume in, then I could be telling you guys a different story. But without any volume, with the way it looks, I don't see any way this is going up. Bitcoin's trying to make a W reversal. That is one thing that I am trying to be aware of. There's an inversion here. You can see the inversion. That's an inverted something. Whether that's going to end up being an inverted head, or if that's just the start of a hook, because this looks like it's got a long ways to come down to 49,328 for Bitcoin. So we're actively working between that 53,531 support and 55,078 resistance, and it's tightening up as we speak. I think we're on a bearish continuation pattern. I haven't made any bones about it. We did continue to the downside once, but I think this still needs to break down. I think Bitcoin's telling us in the weekly or the daily we're going down to 49,000 area. XLM. This is what I think is going to happen. I think that's our destiny. We're playing on a resistance point right now of 316, support of 307. Like I said last night, we haven't really done anything. We're trending down. So we're going to see if this continues to break down and hit 28, 29 cents, and then ultimately 25.5. And then DGB. I mean, if you ask me, this is the same thing as we're seeing in Bitcoin. It's a reversal starting. I know we've said this before, but this doesn't look like it. I mean, is there a chance we come up here and get rejected? Sure, at 4.9. But look at that volume, guys. When you're getting increase, we had a little volume push up, and then but there's not a lot coming in. This feels like it wants to roll over again, and this is going to end up being something like drop, hook, drop, bam, 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 maybe there, bam. We're going to need volume if we don't want this to be ugly. DGB is holding on to that double bottom support at 4328. Overhead resistance of 4759. We're watching to see exactly what this is trying to develop, because if this is a failed attempt up, this will get ugly real quick. Hit that like button.